how the protein requirements and essential amino acid requirements of the large herbivorous mammals like antelopes and elephants and giraffes and gorillas and so on, how those compare with human protein and essential amino acid requirements.
The question was, what is the comparison between the amino acids and fats required by the large animals such as elephants and buffalo and horses and cows and other such animals that are listed there? How does that compare? Bear in mind that the total calorie intake would be massively greater than ours. Generally speaking, the larger the animal, the more total calorie intake is going to be required to sustain it. When it comes to percentages between the proteins, the fats and the carbohydrates, I don't think either of us are qualified to actually make extensive comment on that, because our studies have been of human nutrition in the human body. We can assume that the anthropoid apes, that their needs are very much in line with ours, and particularly specific species within that grouping. As for things like elephants, giraffes, cattle, horses, I don't really think, to be honest, that we're qualified to answer that question. But maybe Doug would like to expand.
No, I agree that we don't know. We know that animals in the wild eat the food to which they're biologically designed, and they tend not to stray from that diet if they possibly can avoid that. To find out what their nutritional requirements are at that point, it simply becomes a matter of doing a nutritional assay on the foods they eat and then doing the math.